curious monsters, and welcome to the lab. I'm Teacher Johnny. Today, oh, can you see me? Hang on. There we go. I was invisible there for a second. Anyway, today I'm gonna show you how to make something else invisible. Well, not you, because it's a secret power that I have. Just kidding. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make invisible ink to draw or write secret messages with. Then, after that, I'm gonna show you how it all works. Before we head on off to do our experiment, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you don't, then fun videos might not find their way to you. If you do, then fun videos just like this will find their way straight into your eye hole and up into your brain. That sounded weird. Just like and subscribe and fun will be on its way straight to you. For this experiment, we're going to need a lemon or some lemon juice, a cotton bud, and some paper for our secret message. To make that secret message appear, we're going to need lots of heat. So that's where a candle will come in. Now, because we're going to be dealing with fire, you're going to need the help of an adult. So mom, dad, or any other grown-up at home will need to help you. We have to be super careful dealing with fire. We wouldn't want to burn the paper, ourselves, or our houses now, would we? So gather all those things and let's go. First, you'll need to put the lemon juice in a container. You can pour it in or squeeze the sliced lemon into it. Next, dab the cotton bud into the lemon juice. Then, draw or write your secret message on the paper like you would with a pencil. You'll see it as you write because the paper is wet, but just let it dry and the message will disappear. You'll know it's ready when it's completely invisible. You can also write something else with a pen or pencil to disguise your secret message. Now, here's how to make it come out. We'll need some heat. This is the part where you'll need some grown-up help. I put my candle in a jar so that the fire won't get too close to the paper. You can do that too, so it's safer. Put the paper close enough to the candle to heat it. Move the paper over the candle so that it will heat the whole paper and it won't catch fire. Keep moving it across where you remember writing the message until it comes out. Isn't that cool? It's like magic! But it's actually science. To understand what happens, there are two things we need to talk about. First is that when we burn carbon-based things, the result is usually black carbon-based residue. That means through a bunch of chemical reactions that happens inside a carbon-based thing, we usually get blackened stuff. But hang on, what is a carbon-based thing? Well, me and you and every other living thing on Earth, plants and animals. All living things on Earth are made with an element in common, and that's carbon. So anything that comes from a living thing also has carbon in it. Clothes, fibers from plants and animals, carbon. Food, meat and vegetables from plants and animals, carbon. Paper, wood from a tree, carbon. When we burn any of those things, we'll usually get something black. The next thing we need to talk about is sugar. When we heat sugar, it caramelizes. It gets brown. We get caramel. Sugar is also carbon-based, so that darkening effect that you get from burning something carbon-based happens to it too. Now, lemon has natural sugars in it. So when we burn that, we're getting the darkened carbon-based residue and we're browning the sugar. The important part of this chemical reaction in our secret message is that it can happen at a lower temperature than it would take for the paper to burn. Meaning, it doesn't have to get as hot for this chemical reaction to happen. So basically what we're doing is we're burning the spot where the secret message is, but not the rest of the paper around it. Here are other liquids you can test for your invisible ink. Milk, sugar water, that's just water with sugar in it, onion juice, or baking soda in water. See which ones work best. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed doing this experiment. If you want to do more, there are loads more like it on the channel. Look around and see what else you can do. Moms and dads, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook. That's the best way to know if the Curious Monster Lab has new videos. Also, that's the best place to ask if you have any questions about any of these videos. Well, I'm signing off, but before that, always remember, be brave, be kind, and stay curious. Huh? Huh? Not again!